Hello students, history, our lesson is today's, that is last phase of struggle for independence. Now last phase revolves around the year from 1935 to 1946. During the tenure of this period, what special incidents, what special moments, what struggles took place in India to get freedom from the clutches of British. So point wise I am going to tell you about those incidents. Act of 1935, which shows the provisions for the British governed Indian provinces and princely states to form a federation. Then election held in 11 provinces in 1937. World War started in 1939. November 1939 only, the provincial ministers of Indian National Congress has resigned. Resolution to end British rule in India was passed at Wardha on 14 July 1942. Quit India resolution of Jawaharlal Nehru passed with a great majority on 8 August 1942. Inspirational appeal by Gandhiji in the wake of the Quit India resolution was do or die, that is Karu ya Maru. First satyagrahi of individual satyagraha was led by Acharya Vinoba Bhave, leader of the school student who contributed to the freedom movement at Nandurbar, a great sacrifice of Shirish Kumar. School children who became martyrs in the freedom movement, they were Shirish Kumar, Lal Das, Dhansukh Lal, Shashidhar Ghanshyam, and etc. Leadership of the underground movement was in 1942. Now this underground movement, the people they were involved were Jayaprakash Narayan, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Choto Bhai Puranik, Achyutrao Patwardhan, Aruna Asaf Ali, Yusuf Meher Ali, Sucheta Kripalani, S.M. Joshi, Shirubhau Limay, N.G. Gori, Yashwantrao Chauhan, Vasantdada Patil, Maganlal Bagdi, Usha Mehta were the strong activists, strong people who participated in the underground movement. Groups formed in different parts of the country as a part of the underground movement, that is Azad Dasta leader Bhai Kotwal, location was Karjat. Lal Sena leader General Avari, location was Nagpur. Azad Radio was formed, secret transmission center established in Mumbai, and that was Azad Radio. And it was started by Vitthal Javeri, Usha Mehta and others. Other locations for transmission centers were Kolkata, Delhi, Pune. People government, also known as parallel government. Parallel government established in Midnapur, that is Bengal, Balaya and Azamgarh, that is in UP, Purnaya in Bihar. Parallel government means Britishers as well as we in Indian representatives were looking after the administration. Kranti Sinha Nana Patil established a parallel government in Satara in Maharashtra in 1942. Kranti Agarni GD, that is Bapulad, established Tufan Sena. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose established Azad Hind Sena, that is a military force to fight against the Britishers. He collected the soldiers which were during the Second World War, that Japan, they have attacked German and they have conquered the eastern part, and from there our Indian soldiers, those who are captured by the Japan army, and those soldiers were collected by these people, Subhash Chandra Bose and Raj Bihari Bose, and they formed Azad Hind Sena. Party founded by Subhash Chandra Bose was Forward Bloc. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Free India Center in Germany 1941. Ras Bihari Bose established Indian Independence League. Netaji appealed to the Indian people, you give me blood and I will give you independence. That is, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Azad Hind government established in by Netaji on October 1943 in Singapore. Japan conquered Andaman and Nicobar Islands in November 1943. Netaji renamed Andaman and Nicobar Islands as Shahid and Swaraj. Indian National Army captured the Arakan province in Myanmar in 1944. Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane crash on 18th August 1945. The Navy and Air Force soldiers unfurled the tricolor on British warship Talwar in 18 February 1946. These were all the major evidence, major incidents, major movements took place during the last phase of the freedom movement, and it is ended with a great trump, that is by getting the freedom, by winning our freedom from the British. Thank you.